Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the channel. Before I begin, here are my disclaimers. Today I am going to give you an update about LAZARD INC quarterly report. LAZARD Inc. offers a wide range of businesses and services through its two main segments, financial advisory and asset management. The financial advisory segment provides various financial advisory services to corporate, institutional, government, and individual clients across multiple industries, including mergers and acquisitions, capital markets restructuring and liability management, capital raising and placement. The asset management segment offers a range of investment solutions, including investment and wealth management, services equity and fixed income strategies, asset allocation, strategies alternative investments, and private equity funds. These services cater to various clients such as corporations, public funds, sovereign entities, endowments, foundations, labor funds, financial intermediaries, and private clients. The stability in LAZARD Inc.'s stock price over the past year can be attributed to several key factors. The company's consistent financial performance, as reflected in its quarterly and annual results, has been a major contributor to this stability. Despite some fluctuations, LAZARD's adjusted net revenue has shown significant growth, with notable increases in financial advisory and asset management revenues. The company's strategic business developments have also played a crucial role in maintaining investor confidence. The launch of new ETF products, expansion of its team of financial advisory managing directors, and enhancements to its asset management business are all part of LAZARD's long-term growth strategy. These initiatives have helped to foster a positive outlook for the company, preventing significant negative price fluctuations. Furthermore, LAZARD's commitment to shareholder returns has been evident through regular quarterly dividend declarations. This consistency in dividend payments has contributed to investor confidence and stability in the stock price. Overall, the combination of solid financial performance, strategic business expansion, and consistent shareholder distributions has helped LAZARD's stock avoid significant negative movements over the past year. The primary drivers of revenue growth or decline can be summarized as follows. Revenue growth drivers, investment banking and advisory fees, asset management fees, completed M&A transactions, corporate defaults decrease, and investment performance are key factors driving revenue growth. Additionally, market movements, foreign currency exchange rate volatility, changes in AUM product mix, and capital raising activities also contribute to revenue growth. Revenue decline drivers. On the other hand, interest income, other revenue, decreased M&A activity, lower adjusted net revenue due to decreased AUM levels, and increased competition for professionals are primary drivers of revenue decline. Macroeconomic environment changes and financial market fluctuations also impact revenue decline. Net income and profit margins experienced significant declines between 2024 and 2025. Net income decreased by 36.7% from $116,135 to $73,500, while operating income as a percentage of net revenue dropped from 20.5% to 12.7%. The main reasons for this change include adjustments made to adjusted net revenue and changes in operating expenses, as well as economic and global financial market conditions that can affect performance. Uncertainty in international trade policies and practices also contributed to the decline. The company's financial performance indicates a strong ability to generate cash from its core operations. With positive operating cash flows recorded in both 2024 and 2025, the company demonstrates its efficiency in managing its day-to-day activities. The significant increase in net cash provided by operating activities from $119,627 in 2025 to $379,974 in 2024 highlights a notable improvement in the company's financial health. This trend suggests that the company is generating sufficient cash to cover its expenses and invest in growth opportunities, positioning it for long-term success. The company's debt level and interest expenses have shown minimal fluctuations over the past year. According to the financial summary, total senior debt increased from $1,682,000 to $1,732,000 between December 31, 2024 and September 30, 2025. However, this increase is relatively small. In terms of interest expenses, there are conflicting figures throughout the report. While some pages indicate a decrease in interest expenses, others show an increase or minimal change. The aggregate interest expense decreased by $126 million, but specific quarterly figures reveal varying trends. Overall, it appears that the company's debt level and interest expenses have not undergone significant changes over the past year. The company's financial performance varied across different segments and regions in the recent quarter. The financial advisory segment showed a strong increase in fee revenue, rising by $51 million or 4%. Similarly, the asset management segment performed well, with fees increasing by $25 million or 3%. On the other hand, the corporate segment failed to provide specific information on its performance. Within the financial advisory and asset management segments, certain regions experienced losses, with net revenue and adjusted operating income incurring significant deficits. However, a few regions within these segments performed well, as evidenced by a decrease in the effective tax rate from 28% to 22.6%. Overall, while some areas of the company showed improvement, others struggled with financial performance. Management is optimistic about the company's future, citing a diversified business model that can adapt to changing economic conditions. They believe their model will continue to attract new clients and talent, driving growth in restructuring businesses during uncertain times. The company is investing in its global platform to boost performance and has a positive outlook with a 17% increase in assets under management. Their strategy focuses on market appreciation, foreign exchange gains, and net inflows through seeding strategies in their asset management business. The company has demonstrated a commitment to returning value to its shareholders through two key initiatives. Firstly, it has paid dividends, with $0.50 per share declared on October 22, 2025, and a total of $139 million paid out in dividends. Secondly, the company has also engaged in share buybacks, purchasing 41 million shares of common stock. These actions reflect the company's focus on rewarding its shareholders and enhancing their investment returns. That concludes the financial summary for LAZARD INC. Feel free to comment below, and I will be happy to answer them when possible.